Soldering with AJ and his blowtorch.
I need some flaps on it.
Yeah, anyway, so I've said, right, do you want the people that can come round at any time to sort of this, that and the other? No, I don't need that. I'm not exactly going to be wanking.
Don't want to go, does it?
Having mad drunken parties on it, and why not?
Just don't want to go.
Let's
go get some flaps. Yeah, let me get some flaps.
I love how he gets this fucking
good.
bigger than our little blowtorch. Yeah.
So, anyway, that's the chance. When can I get this? Minute.
Yeah. Get that later. Your battery's done, AJ. Your battery's done.
It slides out.
Do you want me to go and get a generator?
Do you know what I mean? So it's almost like a... Yeah, it's
weird.
How do?
Is that your old soldering iron or something?
No, that's soldering iron I use all the time. Don't get hot enough, I heat it up with blowtorch or the gas ring on the cooker. It's not pretty,
No.
but that makes a difference. Flaps really does make a difference.
I've had to get some of that.
Yeah, Laco, that's the best stuff I've found. Not brilliant, but that's not going anywhere, mate.